I just got back from the post office. I went to pick this thing up, and there is a triple suction cup car mount inside by NEEWER. They just sent it to me and wanted me to test it out on camera. So that's what we're doing today, and also the reason why I'm making this video from inside the car. So I'm not sure how we're gonna do this, because cars are not the perfect places for unboxing videos. But we can do this quickly and go outside and do the actual test. So the first thing I see here is, I guess that's the main base. Here's the suction cups. There's some protectors you can take off. And the way this thing works, I think is just have to pump this thing up and makes the vacuum. Oh wow, that's actually quite strong. Okay, let's see what else is inside. We also have the small base, pretty much the same thing, and I'm assuming here we'll be attaching something like this, which will be holding the stick in upward position. Okay, let's see what else is inside. Here is the stick. You can use your own, but it seems like they're also providing one with the mount, and it looks pretty solid to me. There's not much space to completely stretch it out here, but we'll do that in a minute outside. Let's just see what else is inside the package. There is, oh yeah, there it is. This is the thing that holds the stick into place, and it's in upward position. I'm not sure if you can see it. We'll leave it here. Then we have the manual here. There are some detailed instructions, some other gadgets. I'll figure this out when we go outside. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's a rope and a couple of wrenches. I'm not sure if we're gonna need those, but it's good to have them. Oh yeah, and there's one more thing. We'll figure everything out in a moment when we go outside. So this is everything we have in a box. Now let's put this thing to a test. For this part of the video, I'll be doing some voiceover because the DJI mic mini I'm using performs surprisingly bad in the wind. So good that I'm not reviewing the mic, but the car mount. So let's get back to that. Now let's figure this thing out together, because I actually never used one of those before and it's new to me too. Here I'm using the red air pumps on each side until they hit the white line. I'm not sure if you can see properly from this angle, but it's there. So make sure it's not visible at all. And this thing already feels like I could pull the whole window out, but it won't let go. Next I'm adding the single suction cup. This works as the second support point for the stick, and we're doing the exact same thing as previously, pumping up until the white line is gone. And not sure what exactly are these called, but one serves as an adapter to the support point that holds the stick in upward position, and the other one is a double ball head where we attach the stick to the main base. It all goes on a single screw point, so it's pretty straightforward and honestly easier than I thought. Here I realized that I need the extension pole before attaching the clamp that holds the stick into position, and then I just make sure I tighten everything down properly. And I think we figured it out. Everything feels nice and sturdy. Just doing one last security check before we mount the action camera on the top, but still I can't trust it 100%, so just in case, I decided for this test I'll be using my old Insta360 X3, and if something goes wrong, at least I won't cry as much about it. The camera also goes on a single screw point, stretching out the stick all the way up, and this is what it looks like when it's fully mounted. Now let's get the car moving. Now, in order to remove this thing, just squeeze in from both sides, just like this, where the markings are, and then the air pump will release the vacuum. We'll do the same thing here. And yeah. Now, what else we can do is also use an individual suction cup and attach it anywhere we like on the car. And for this test, I will also use the extension stick adapter for more tolerance, which will hopefully give me a better angle and a view when I attach it by the side of the car. So let's go ahead and screw in the camera as well. And there it is. This is what it looks like when it's mounted by the side window. Alright, so we're back now. The sun is already setting anyway, so there's not much more time for testing. This is what it looks like in Finland in mid-November. Just about 4 to 5 hours daylight. The camera survived, which is the most important thing. And I think this thing performed very well, regardless of if you decide to use only one suction cup on its own to attach it literally anywhere in the car, or the entire thing. I think you're safe. And in my opinion, it's good to have one of these. I definitely recommend it. Also, the stick is pretty impressive. It feels heavy, solid, well made. There's nothing wiggly there. It holds very well. So I'll be also interested to see what you guys think about that. So please let me know in the comments. And meanwhile, I'll leave a link for the product into the description so you can guys check it out yourself. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.